Welcome back to the Beef and Barnzy channel, Real Talk Reviews. This time we're coming at you with one of the legendary names in the Storm lineup, IQ Tour. And this time, this is the Sapphire edition. So, the last one was AQAI Emerald. This one, it's R2S Pearl, the same 24, I think it's 248, 029, low RG, mid flare, really low flare. No AI in it, no micro tracks, nothing. We're just coming at you with one of the legendary balls. It's been around for a minute. As usual, we're going to start on the gutter and see what's going on out here. It's the house shot here at AMF Louisville. We're on lane 2. Normally we are on the other end. So it will be interesting today. SPL surface. What else? I mean, this ball should be good for medium to dry lanes. It's kind of what the IQ Tour Pearl line's been forever. And I don't expect anything else out of this. We've done a few ball reviews already. We've had the Wicked Gremlin on this lane. We've had the Transform Pearl on this lane. And so we're following this up after we broke it down a little bit so we can show you what you're most likely to use it on. And that's a broken down condition. So, already moved a bunch. It is cleaner. It is sharper. And it sends pins around even for old guys.
How did you drill it?
Just your basic 5 by 3 by 2.5. Actually by 2, I think. So, pin above the bridge for me.
Let's take a look.
And for those of you that are into smelly balls,
Smelly balls.
blueberry. If that was going to struggle, that's where I would expect it to. A little bit inside, in the puddle a little bit, rolls out of it. I've always liked these pearl balls. The emerald was one of my favorites of all time. And I'm a fan of blue, so I'm hoping this one is really good. We'll move back to the right a little bit, get a little firmer and see what it looks like. And she's long. That's right in the middle of the friction, no problem clearing all that. So if you're a player that struggles with getting the ball far enough down the lane, that the ball hooks too early, runs out of energy, and pukes too much, this is going to be something you want to look at. It doesn't flare all over the place. So you can be a lower speed player and still like this. Obviously two-handers are going to like this as long as their speed's not too high. At that point, it's probably not their thing. I'm going to rotate this one. IQ Tour has always been a player's ball. It's a ball you can manipulate. It fits a lot of different styles, and it can fit a lot of different types of patterns. This one's not going to be for heavy oil. That's not what's going to, you're not going to use this one here. You're going to use it when the lanes are on a little bit on the drier side. But if you're a player that likes to stand in the friction, this one could be for you too. It doesn't overhook off of it. It's not super early. Got that clean R2S Pearl cover. Cover's been around forever. It's been great for a long time. And one more time, it is again. So I have a almost identically drilled AQAI. AQ, yeah. All right. What I mean, not what I say. All right. So what's that tell you? I mean, the easy part is that it didn't hook as much. But why didn't it hook as much is the key. And this is something we felt like for a little while, is we felt like the AI picks up a little bit stronger in the mid lane. In this case, it felt like maybe it made it burn out a little bit. So we'll add a little rotation and see if that makes up the difference. So the thing that stands out immediately is I added more rotation. That just got to where I was at with my hand rolling it with the Sapphire. So the Sapphire is more angular off of it than the Emerald is. That's what we know so far. If you were one of the lucky dozens of people that bought one of these, we'll test it up against this too. So Cove came dull, We shined it up as recommended on here. It was good for two-handers. I'm gonna move a couple right. All right, if I throw a second one, that will be my third official double with this ball ever.
Just to be clear, which ball was that?
That was the Cove.
Okay.
Cove. So last year's winner for ugliest ball of Bowl Expo.
Personal opinion.
Yep, personal opinion.
That's not.
And it is, it's the Beef and BArnzy channel. So, team never wrong is always in play.
Okay, go.
There we go. I had a little rotation here. Even smoother than the IQ Emerald. The
From the peanut gallery, the goat.
IQ AI. Yeah, the two-handers like this ball, for sure. You have enough hand, you have enough, it's legit.
Legitness, says Brian.
Oh, fell right out of that. Oh my goodness.
Almost fell down and still struck.
It fell right off my hand. And that's the difference. I was rolling with that one. The Cove, I was trying to spin it a little bit to get it to go around. IQ was still, it was one longer, and then two was sharper off the back of it than the Cove as well. And we'll throw a little slower, assuming we get pins. Instant ad.
Coming to you in the bag.
This one's coming into the bag very soon. So it's been mentioned that Sapphire is September's birth month, but they want you to know that you can enjoy this ball all year long. And it starts in mid-July, date down below. And here we go, blueberry scent, like I said, low RG, oath 29, which in theory is medium flare, but really that's low flare these days. Same great technology that the IQ Tours have always been, and coming at you mid-July. I can't wait to add this one to my bag. This is a 9 out of 10 for me. And as usual, I want to thank all our sponsors, Platinum Ford, Fire Lake Bull and Terra, Lightning Strikes, Global, Rotogrip, Storm, Coolwick. If you like these jerseys or any others, go to coolwick.com, add BArnzy10 for a 10% discount. And if you like these reviews, like and subscribe, and come back for more real review content here. See you next time.
Thanks, Ryan Barnes.